Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
We dream and songs to sing. It's a lonely round of fields, all nothing right.
Welcome to Ireland. Our journey begins in the heart of Dublin's cultural soul, Temple Bar, cobblestone streets buzzing with music, laughter, and the spirit of storytelling. It's the perfect place to kick off an epic adventure.
Against the famine and the cloud, Ireland's boundaries brought me down. Now you must raise our child with dignity. Lord, nothing right. And once we watch the small free birds fly. How long's on the way? We have trains and songs to sing. It's a lonely land that feels about the bride.
The next chapter unfolds in County Tipperary, where ancient kings once ruled. The Rock of Cashel looms above the green hills, a majestic ruin etched in Ireland's soul, steeped in legend and mysticism.
We were dancing at the crossroads, in the shadow of a bonfire, underneath the silver moonlight. We were singing until dawn. We were dancing at the crossroads, with the punching and the porter, dancing jigs and reels and polkas, until the early morn. We were dancing at the crossroads.
Further south, we find Blarney Castle, home of the famous stone. And yes, I leaned in and kissed it, because who doesn't want a little gift of eloquence on a trip like this? Now brace yourself. The breathtaking cliffs of Moher rise like nature's cathedral against the Atlantic winds. Standing there, you feel both small and infinite. In Killarney, history meets wilderness. Ross Castle, Muckross House, and the vibrant greens of the national park weave together a tapestry of heritage and natural beauty. The lakes shimmer, the forests whisper. Just a short walk reveals Torc Waterfall, pure poetry in motion. Hidden away in County Cork, Clonakilty Castle is rugged, raw, and romantic. A secret carved in stone, far from the crowds, close to history. Time for a toast. The Smithwick's experience in Kilkenny shows the magic behind the malt. Rich aromas, ancient brewing secrets, and the perfect pint. Cheers to Irish craftsmanship.
Smithwick's is, in many respects, kind of like most beer, really. Not all beer, but like most beer. You're going to have 4 fundamental ingredients going into every pint or bottle. Barley, water, hops, yeast. That's it.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Back in Dublin, we dive into the Epic Museum, a powerful, immersive journey through Irish emigration. It's a reminder of Ireland's global heartbeat.
Irish sweat built our great cities. Our spirit is eternally refreshed by Irish story and Irish song. So you could say there's always been a little green behind the red, white, and blue.
Among Dublin's winding lanes, Christchurch Cathedral stands proud. Gothic arches and hidden crypts add a layer of wonder. And we end where we began, Temple Bar. But now, it feels different. Full circle, full heart. Ireland is more than landscapes. It's feeling, it's memory, it's magic. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let the spirit of Ireland stay with you wherever you roam.